can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll take a look at the general crypto market. The last 1 week has seen huge dumps in the altcoin market. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market, it's in the gutter. We have extreme fear right now hovering around the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin bears are predicting $40,000. How low can we probably go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Or maybe just maybe this is the bottom we'll be looking for. Maybe just maybe this is the turning point that will lead us to the moon. Let's get down to business. Bitcoin, the king of the market, currently trades around $54. We have seen Bitcoin get to as low as $49,000 since when it got to its all-time high. It's been a long journey. Bitcoin has been dumping from $53,000 where it got to an all-time high on the 13th of March 2024. Over the course of 6 months, we have seen Bitcoin slowly but slowly go to gobbling down, finding a bottom around $49,000 on the 5th of August 2024. But then we had a bounce, we had a relief rally. That rally didn't take us anywhere. We got to as high as $65,000. We got semi-bullish in the market. We saw a flash of greed. But guys, the last 13 days has been crazy. We have seen a pullback that has seen Bitcoin go down by 19%. And even though we have not gone below $49,000, sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is in the gutter. On the weekly time frame, there are double-digit losses across the board. On the daily time frame, there are double-digit losses across the board. But the good news is that on the monthly, we're positive, and right now a lot of altcoins and Bitcoin showing signs of a recovery. But last month there was extreme fear in the market. Last week there was fear in the market. Yesterday, extreme fear in the market. Right now, there's extreme fear in the market. The old wise saying goes, you want to buy when there's extreme fear in the market, you want to sell when extreme greed returns to the cryptocurrency market. Now, because there's extreme fear in the market, a lot of liquidations have been happening. A lot of traders have been getting liquidated. The last 24 hours saw over 86,000 traders get liquidated, with total liquidation coming in at $315 million. The single largest liquidation order happened on HTX. One trader was liquidated for $13 million trying to trade Bitcoin. Be careful out there, guys. You don't want to get liquidated. We saw the first batch of liquidation happen, and those who are the longs, people that are betting Bitcoin will go up, they got liquidated. Right now, we are seeing shorts get liquidated. Maybe just maybe do the start of something great. Be very careful. And let's talk about how there's a recurring thing that September is always a very bad month for the cryptocurrency market. Right now, we're minus 8% deep into September. September is proving to be a very red month for Bitcoin. If you look at what Bitcoin has done over the last few years, we basically have just 3 green Septembers: 2015, 2016, and 2023. With this time different, we had a stretch of 7 years where September was always red. I probably think this time we're different. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think we're going to have red September, or do you think maybe just maybe there's a huge relief rally waiting for us in the month of September? If you take a look at the altcoin season index right now, we're heavily in Bitcoin season. Guys, if you don't know what the altcoin season index is, the altcoin season index tells us when altcoins are outperforming Bitcoin or when Bitcoin is outperforming altcoins. Right now, Bitcoin over the last 90 days has gone down 24%, but we have a lot of altcoins that are doing way worse than that. But 75% of the top 50 coins perform better than Bitcoin over a given day 90 period, then we can officially say we're in alt season. In 2023, we saw alt season once, and that was in early 2024. Ever since then, Bitcoin has been trending downwards, and we have seen Bitcoin show its strength. Anytime there's a downward pressure in the market, you see Bitcoin holding on strong. But the good news is that anytime we see huge pumps in the market, most of the time we see all coins outperforming Bitcoin. Let's take a look at top meme coins in the cryptocurrency market. That's a shining light in this bull cycle. We have seen meme coins have huge gains throughout this cycle, and right now the biggest meme coin in the cryptocurrency market is still Dogecoin. Dogecoin sits at number 1, followed by Shiba Inu and Pepe, Dog We Had, Floki, and Bonk. Brett is still in the top 10 meme coins by market capitalization. We have Dogs, Popcat, and Book of Memes. If we take a look at the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, there's relatively no change. The total crypto market cap sits around $1.9 trillion. Bitcoin accounts for more than half of that. Bitcoin's market cap sits above $1 trillion. Ethereum sits at number 2, the biggest altcoins we have in the cryptocurrency market. In the top 10, we still have Ton, Tron, Doge, XRP. We have two stablecoins, USDT and USDC. Solana and BNB make up the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. Let's take a look at the biggest gainers and the biggest losers in the last 24 hours after that big crash that we saw in the cryptocurrency market. I'm sure a lot of altcoins will be in the losing section. In the winning section, we have Stacknet up 6%, Ondo up 2%, BitSensor up 1%, and Bonk up 1%. So not a lot of big gainers in the market over the last 24 hours. In the loser section, we have some huge losers. We have Monero down 5.9%. We have Lido down 6%. Maker down 5%. Dogecoin down 5%. The XDY down 5%. And Ethereum also down 4%. Ethereum has been underperforming this cycle. Hopefully, the ending phases of the cycle, we see Ethereum shoot to the moon, outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum, both Bitcoin and Solana. Let's take a look at the charts. How high or how low can Ethereum go in the coming days and the coming weeks? Ethereum has been the biggest altcoin in the cryptocurrency market for over a decade right now. From where Ethereum got to on March 2024, we have seen Ethereum dump to Goblin Town, losing around 48% of its value in the process, going from $4,120 to as low as $2,127. Yesterday, even though the crash was hard, Ethereum didn't break below that low, which is a very positive sign. I will not be shocked to see Ethereum rallying back to the $3,000 level very quickly. I believe the market is bearish, rightfully so, but I don't think the bears will have their way. I believe the bulls will have one more fight back where we might see a rally towards $3,000, maybe even getting to $3,500 before we finally see the big dump to Goblin Town. Total crypto market cap sits around $1.87 trillion. We saw it getting to as low as $1.81 trillion yesterday. But luckily for us, we have not broken the lows we set on the 5th of August 2024, where the total crypto market cap got to as low as $1.68 trillion. Let's see some news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. Wisdom Tree withdrawal is Ethereum Trust S1 registration filing. Bitcoin trader braced for sub 52K Bitcoin price at crypto and micro headwinds intensify. New Android malware steals private keys from screenshots and messages. And we have crypto Coinbase secures partial victory over SEC in motion to compel discovery. Vanek to shorter Ethereum futures ETF. The news said that a lot of people are buying spot ETFs, so because of that, they're going to be closing their Ethereum future ETF product. Atari founders, new firm partners with Scale Lab for glassless blockchain gaming, and new synthetic app chains aims for cross-chain liquidity for NFX staking perps. Let's go to more charts, guys. How high do we think the altcoin markets can go in the coming days and the coming weeks? The altcoin market has been underperforming Bitcoin in this cycle. We saw the altcoin market getting to $364 billion. The altcoin market I'm referring to is the total crypto market cap, excluding the top 10. We've not seen the top 10 in this cycle have huge pumps. We saw the top 10 getting to as low as $151 billion. Luckily for us, they held very strongly at the $176 billion level. Guys, another reason why I believe an explosive pump is around the corner is Bitcoin dominance is finally showing some strong weakness. We've seen Bitcoin dominance go from the 57% region where it was trading on the 4th of September 2024, 57.71%. We have seen it have a decline of 1%. And you know, a decline of 70% always starts with a decline of 1%. A decline of 50% also starts with a decline of 1%. So who knows where we're heading to in the coming days and coming weeks. But one thing is sure, the crypto market's in extreme fear right now, which has always been a good time to buy in the past. Sentiment in the market is in the gutters. But on the monthly time frame, we are seeing huge positive signs. So maybe, just maybe, the sentiment is overblown. Maybe, just maybe, the market is already on the right direction to the moon. Maybe, just maybe, by this time next week, we'll be all going to the moon. Some more news stories happening in the cryptocurrency world. CryptoPark spent $14 million targeting crucial U.S. Senate and House races. U.S. companies forecast to buy $10.3 billion in Bitcoin over the next 18 months. And Vitalik says at present, his donation yields better gain than investment. He has been getting a lot of flack this cycle, saying he's not supporting Ethereum because Ethereum has been underperforming. And when an asset underperforms, people find reasons reasons why it underperforms, and they also find who to blame. I didn't see them hailing Vitalik when we were pumping to the moon. I didn't see anybody saying it was because of him they were getting rich, but coincidentally right now everybody wants to blame him for their poverty. The last chart we'll check before we go on, guys, is the Ethereum Bitcoin ratio. Now we've seen Ethereum underperform against Bitcoin, losing value against Bitcoin, but something fundamental has happened since the 5th of August 2024. We have not set new lows. We have seen it ranging, and happily we have seen it ranging for 33 days. So maybe, just maybe, we're about to have that one big pump to the moon. Maybe, just maybe, Ethereum bulls will say they are back again. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. The market is down. Are you buying more right now? Are you getting ready for that wonderful alt season? Do you think meme coin season will continue? Meme coins are showing huge signs of weakness. Are you still buying some memes? Are you still buying some Bitcoin? Are you buying Ethereum? Or are you just holding cash? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.